Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I'll show you how to get street view on Google Maps. So, select your street or area from Google Maps app. So, if I select this area from here, and you can see a photo here, click on it and you can see the road here. You have to click on it again in this arrow button. You can see the street from here. You can see all streets from here. So yeah, this is how you can get streets on Google Maps. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.